So we cannot block thought and emotion. In fact, we need thought and emotion. So
그렇으면
whether you listen to your
좀
monkey mind
알라니까.
or not, that's the issue. What I call monkey mind is checking. So monkey mind is giving your opinion. So whether you listen to opinion or not, it's up to you. Your meditation will be rooted. So the right message is you need to give job to monkey mind. How to give job monkey mind? So the simple meditation technique is
It's dirty.
be aware of the breath.
What are you listening to on the
What's
YouTube?
breath? So monkey mind says, yeah, good idea. And be aware of breath.
It's not on YouTube. Or maybe it is, but it's from Facebook.
There's a lot of thought.
It's a Buddhist monk, I think.
No problem.
He looks like a Buddhist
As long
monk.
as you do not forget your breath, anything is okay. Not need too much concentration. Just, yeah.
Clean, 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 clean. Clean, 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 clean.
You need to like brush out your teeth, and you need to step to the clean area just
Right after.
right after.
Clean, clean.